Today I'm going to show you how to format your paper using MLA format in Google Docs. MLA stands for Modern Language Association, and you're going to use this in your English classes in high school and even in college. So the first thing we want to do is to insert your header. So what you do in Google Docs is you come up here to the button that says Insert, you click on that, and you'll notice down here a little ways it says Header. So I'm going to click Insert Header, and it opens up this sort of area at the top. The first thing I need to do is right align it. One thing that's a little tricky with using Google Docs to format this is it sends this to the very top of your paper. If you print this off, it would actually cut off your header. So what I actually do is hit Enter to take it down one space. So I'm going to hit Enter. Then you're going to type your last name. I'm going to pretend my last name is Smith. And then you need to hit space. And next you need to put your page number in there. A lot of people are tempted to just type a number like 1 in there. But the problem with that is, let's say I scroll on down and I get to page 2. It still says page 1 even though I'm on page 2. So how I fix that is I get rid of just typing 1 and I come up here to Insert again and I click page number. I click this very first one because you can see it's in the top right and on every page, and you can see it's like kind of grayed out. That tells me it's like a formula, so it should change. So if I scroll down, you can see it now says page 2. I still have a problem with my header. It's the wrong font. You can see it says it's Arial 11, so I need to highlight everything and I need to change it to Times New Roman 12-point font. Everything in MLA is Times New Roman 12-point font. So now I've set up my header. I'm done with that. So I'm going to click down here on my document. I want to make sure I'm at the very top, so I backspace to get there. I notice again I have the wrong font, so I'm going to change it to Times New Roman 12-point font. Then you want to type in your name first. Let's pretend my name is Jane Smith. Next thing you do is your teacher's name. Then you're going to do the class. Then you're going to do the due date. So you want to make sure a few things. First, you want it to be the date the assignment is due. Next, you want to make sure it is sort of the correct format. MLA is a little different because it asks you to do the day, the month, and the year. So let's pretend the paper is due on September 22nd, 2017. How I would format that is this. 22, so the day, then the month, then the year. Alright, next I need to hit Enter again, and then I want to hit Center. Next I want to do the title. Don't really have a title, so I'm just going to put a filler title in for now. Notice this isn't bold, it's not italicized, it's not in quotes. I just capitalized the keywords, but other than that it should look the same. I'm going to hit Enter again, left align, then I'm going to click Tab and start typing. So we just have one more thing to change and we'll be done with MLA formatting our paper. I'm going to highlight everything. Then I'm going to click Format, Line Spacing, Double. This makes everything sort of double spaced. Sometimes I like to double check it, so I go to Line Spacing, Custom Spacing, and you want to make sure it should look like this. Line Spacing 2, there's nothing before, there's nothing after, just like that. And now I have successfully set up my paper using MLA format.